Southside having a hand here, dynamic duo. What do we got for the South? What's their name?
Mason.
And
Cash.
all right, Southside having a hand for your dynamic duo. Now, here's what's going to happen. When I call the go, we're going to set our better friends loose in front of you. You'll chase both your chickens from that end of the arena all the way down past this red finish line we got set over here, otherwise known as the foul line. Skeeter, that is Skeeter. All right, folks, get ready to cheer on your chicken chasers. Ready, set, go! Finish line this way. It's all right. Come right this way, youngins. There you go. It's mostly just philosophical and ceremonial, but we want you. There you go. They crossed the line. You know, that's what we want. That's the good thing. Now, folks, kids are very important to us here at the Stampede. That's why we absolutely love working for and partnering with our boss lady, Miss Dolly Parton, and her Imagination Library. Since 1998, we've helped Miss Dolly give away over 245 million books worldwide. The Imagination Library, we got a book and a medal for all you youngins because we believe all kids are winners here at the Stampede. That's right. Inside that book, you're going to see a message from Miss Dolly Parton herself, thanking you all for coming down, being brave, and putting on a good show. Thank you all so much. Go ahead and follow Mr. Skeeter back out the other way, and all this applause is just for you.